Thinking about flying drones commercially? To do that, you'll need to pass the FAA Part 107 remote pilot test. It can feel overwhelming at first, but if you focus on these top 10 areas, you'll be well on your way to passing. Understand Class B, C, D, E, and G airspace, where you can and cannot fly, and when ATC authorization is required. Learn how to read sectional charts. These maps are your key to identifying airspace, obstacles, and restricted zones. Be able to decode aviation weather reports. Knowing how to read METARs and TAFs will help you understand conditions before you fly. Weight, balance, and load factors matter. Learn how extra weight or weather conditions affect your drone's performance and battery life. Know what to do in case of a lost link, flyaway, or sudden system failure. Safety first, always. Study the rules, like the maximum altitude of 400 feet AGL, daylight-only operations, and when waivers are required. Even if you fly solo, you need to understand how to manage resources, communication, and decision-making effectively. This is about judgment. You'll be tested on risk management, hazardous attitudes, and how to make safe choices under pressure. Know radio frequencies, runway markings, and how to avoid conflicts when flying near controlled airports. Learn how fatigue, alcohol, stress, or even medication can affect your ability to operate safely. If you master these 10 areas, you'll have the knowledge foundation you need to pass the Part 107 test and, more importantly, to fly safely and legally as a certified drone pilot.